This is a brand new 2014 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, Hyundai BlueLink, commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, side impact airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, full power accessories, external temperature display, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.